When it comes to choosing a new garage door, there's many things to consider. Okay, well, price, material, style, and durability. Now, you may have a home that would truly benefit from a customizable wood door. Perhaps stain it to match your entry door. You may simply need a stamped steel door, or maybe something more durable like vinyl or fiberglass. Let's go through the different construction materials of your most common doors. Now, wood doors, they've been around forever. They were the first garage doors. Well, the difference between today's wood garage doors and yesteryear's was, of course, these are completely customizable. You can choose the species of wood, you can choose the stain, you can choose a mahogany, nice rich deep tone, or you can choose a cedar that'll give you a light to dark if you prefer. Now, when I say this is a fully customizable door, what I mean is you can have this look any way you like. You can have a shape of a window any way you like for a unique curb appeal. Now, with the wood door, there are some drawbacks. They require maintenance. It's usually sealed with a urethane, and that does not last forever. Also, if it's a southern exposed door, well, unfortunately, UV light is going to lighten that stain. Also, expansion and contraction, it is a wood product. Also, price. Since these doors are fully customizable, they cost more money. When it comes to steel, it's probably the most popular material. It can be stamped into many, many different designs. It could be many, many different colors. It's durable, it's affordable, and it's low maintenance. When it comes to steel doors, they're manufactured in single, double, and triple layer depending on your insulation needs. They also can be overlaid with a Versatex vinyl or a composite material to give it a true 3D carriage house look. Now, a drawback to a steel door is, well, if the finish gets damaged, it's gonna rust. Plus, because it's steel, well, you can dent it. So if you have an active driveway with children playing in it, well, there's a good chance they're gonna dent that brand new door. Now, gaining in popularity recently are these steel doors with a composite overlay. Gives you all the benefits of a steel door, but the look of a wood carriage door. So you don't have to maintain it like a wood door, you can still treat it just like your steel door. Now, compared to a wood door, it is less expensive, but unfortunately it comes in less styles, less colors, less window options, and well, it's still a steel door, so it's gonna dent. Now, a material gaining popularity lately is glass. Now, this door, referred to as a Vista or a full view, has 4 panels of glass with an aluminum frame. Now, this is a sleek, modern looking door. The aluminum frame can be painted in many colors, the windows can be tinted from light to dark, and you can use different types of glass. Now, if you got something in that garage that you really want to show off, now this is the door for you. But unfortunately, it's not a very durable door. So if you have activity in your driveway, you have children throwing hockey pucks and baseballs around, well, this is not the door for you. If you break the glass, it's expensive to repair. Now, if you're looking for the most amazing custom door you can find, well, this is it. This is what we call the Sterling. This is a glass section over the top of a steel section. This is comprised of 4 glass sections. It comes in other varieties, but in my opinion, this is the sleekest, this is the most modern door on the market. You can't beat this one when it comes to a fully custom door. The cons of this door are, of course, you want to keep your hands off of it, otherwise you're gonna have to invest a lot of money in Windex. It's also not very durable. If you hit this door with something, you are gonna break it, and actually it's quite expensive to repair. Looks like a piece of lunch in here. Now, this door here is a vinyl composite. This particular door is made of Versatex, and what they do is they round out the design. Anything is possible with this door. You can see it's endless, the possibilities. Also, besides the design, the windows can be truly custom. Anything you'd like, they can make. Now, the advantages of this door over a custom wood door is, while it's still customizable, well, it's made of a vinyl material, so it doesn't absorb water, so it's not gonna rot. It's made of vinyl, so very low maintenance. When it gets dirty, well, you just wash it off. Now, the drawbacks to this door, well, just like a customizable wood door, it tends to be more expensive. Also, if you prefer this in a darker color and you have a southern exposure, well, the sun is going to bake this door, and since it's a vinyl product, it will expand and contract, and unfortunately, it will eventually crack. This is your standard vinyl door. What that means is it's made of vinyl, just like vinyl siding. The color is all the way through, so if you were to scratch it, it would still be the same color. And what's nice is it's virtually indestructible. Because it's made of vinyl, it won't dent like steel. Now, the advantages of a vinyl door as well, it requires 0 maintenance. It's never gonna rust, it never needs to be painted, it's never gonna rot. It's a very durable door. It's not gonna dent in an active driveway either. Now, when the door gets dirty, you simply soap it up and hose it down. Now, the drawback of this door is, well, it's only available in this raised panel design, only comes in a few colors. It's enough already. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, press the like button. If you want to learn more about garage doors and garage door openers, subscribe to the link below. I'm Joe Conti with Precision Door, a name you can trust.